So, I did get my breast done, and I also did get my butt done. I'm absolutely not telling you guys where I got my butt done. Here's the thing. Everybody thinks that I lie about my butt. And it's not that I lie about my butt. It's just that I don't even speak on it because I don't have to. It's my body. Honestly, the only reason why people are even asking me is somebody came out and told everybody that I had my butt done. I wasn't even ready to talk about it yet because I got so much backlash from getting my boobs done. So I just was in a different space. I just didn't, everybody doesn't need to go to the internet and tell everybody what they're doing in their life or what they're doing in their private life. And that was my private life. And yeah, it's not that I'm lying. It's just that I don't need to run to the internet and tell people that. And also, a lot of people thought I was lying about a pediment. And it was really weird because a pediment was really something